Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In previous videos, we discussed the 5-ply fully automatic Flute Laminator machine, its operation and more. And today, we'll take a closer look at what technological innovations it has to offer. The technical innovations of this machine are mainly in the following areas. 1. Improvement of automation. High-efficiency paper feeding system. Adopting vacuum suction cup type flyer paper feeding system, it can accurately feed the paper into the machine. Meanwhile, the circulating stacking frame can stack the next batch of facial paper without stopping the machine, which greatly improves the efficiency and continuity of paper feeding. Automatic paper walking and tracking. The bottom paper adopts suction automatic paper walking, which can automatically track according to the running speed of the host machine to ensure the stability and accuracy in the processing. 2. Precise control and efficient production. High precision positioning. Adopting new positioning technology with high positioning accuracy, the bottom paper never overruns and the top paper overruns are adjustable to ensure accurate alignment during laminating process. Intelligent control system. The whole machine adopts touchscreen PLC control system, which is stable in operation and can automatically display fault alarms, making it easy for operators to monitor and adjust the machine status in real time. 3. Energy saving, environmental protection, and cost control. Automatic adhesive replenishment system. It can automatically replenish the lost adhesive quantity during the laminating process and cooperate with adhesive recycling, effectively avoiding the waste of adhesive and reducing the production cost. Efficient gluing and cleaning. The metering roller line speed is scientifically designed to ensure uniform gluing while avoiding glue dumping during high-speed operation. Machine is capable of handling a variety of different materials and thicknesses of paper to meet diversified production needs. In summary, 5-ply fully automatic Flute Laminator machine has realized significant technological innovations in automation, precise control, energy saving and environmental protection, adaptability and flexibility, which provides strong support for the efficient production of the printing and packaging industry. If you're in the market for a reliable and cost-effective solution for your packaging needs, look no further than this impressive machine. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more industry insights and product highlights. See you next time.